why is insomnia happening, and what are the tips you can give somebody who has insomnia to be able to start at least getting some decent sleep?
This is the biggest problem, right? I think what I realized is I thought these are all practically things that I have done. Then I can't say myself an insomniac, but I think I had something very similar to that. There was a time when I used to take medication for falling asleep, right? It's a sedative. Sedative is not the sleep. Sleep and sedatives are two different things. Sedative makes you sleep, but it robs you of the color of the sleep, the quality of the sleep. So sedatives are no good straight away. So fundamentally one has to do first thing that you need to do is you need to consciously start aligning your biological clock and your social clock. That is really, really important. There is no alternative to that at all. Second thing that I discovered about light, okay, keep the light lighter. And then coffee. When I read about decaffeinated coffee, I realized that there is nothing called decaffeinated coffee. You can probably reduce the caffeine. You can never make it zero. So caffeine, some amount is there in the coffee, even in the decaf. So it still will have its own impact. I think caffeine is a complete no-no. It doesn't do you any good. In fact, if you come out of it, you will realize that you have more mojo than having coffee. And then there are two three simple techniques that I figured it out, right? I think one is this Vishal, this 4-8 meditation, right? I think, sorry, 4-8 pranayam that I have got. And this is the single biggest revelation for the whole world, is that when the body is in one kind of thought process to move it into this between sympathetic and parasympathetic, or between parasympathetic and parasympathetic, you want to move your body and your nervous system, the domination, the only thing that will help you is pranayam. So this 4-8 is something that has helped. 4 times or 4 count inhale through your mouth, in your nose, and 8 times exhale through your mouth.